Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with Dherbs Kitchen. I have a quick and easy tahini ranch dressing for you. So let's get started. Into a mason jar. If you have these around the house, I have hundreds of them for sea moss or salad dressings or water. This is the perfect vessel for shaking it up. Tahini, 3/4 cups of tahini. I'll save that little last bit for myself. This is 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water, black pepper. We're making ranch, so it looks like it's a lot. This is 1 tablespoon of black pepper. This is 1 tablespoon of dried dill. Dried dill is probably that herb you have in your dried spice rack that you hardly use. This is the perfect salad dressing for that. Here is 2 tablespoons, 1 of garlic powder, 1 of onion powder. This is gonna help give it that ranch taste. And of course, we need some salt. We can adjust the salt, so you'll save that. Here's the quick and easy part. You can hear it change. The viscosity or the thickness of the tahini is starting to bind with all those liquids. Those sesame seeds are looking for moisture to absorb, and that is what is happening. The lemon juice is gonna add some brightness. That dill, this is gorgeous. Quick and easy summer ranch tahini. Look at that. If you like this recipe and like to see others, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Click the little bell icon in the corner and follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef RedBeard. That's good.